And the race is on. Caught him in a pretty good line. Hype man toward the inside. Here's Sunny Saint from the outside. Jose Lopez wants the lead. He's got it within the first 16th of a mile. In fact, he's got it by 2.5, almost 3 now. Nip of Bourbon into that second spot. King Ramos, the favorite, came away third as Sunny Saint rolls into that first turn in front by 3.5, 4. Nip of Bourbon back in second. King Ramos, Hype Man, they're third and fourth together. It's 3.5 more. Then back to In Honor of Artie, another 2.5 back to Deceiver. Mr. Einstein, seventh and last, but a strung out group here. Got to be 14 or 15 front to back. As Sunny Saint takes no prisoners here, 23 and 2/5 seconds onto the backstretch. Sunny Saint racing 3 or 4 paths out as well. Is clear by about 8 or 9 to Nip of Bourbon. King Ramos, they're second and third. Hype Man is back fourth. It's a break of 3.5 or 4 more. Back to In Honor of Artie. After that comes Deceiver. Mr. Einstein still at the back. So they go to the half-mile pole. It's Sunny Saint, 47 and 3. The ambitious pace continues to that far turn. The lead is still 6.5 or 7. Nip of Bourbon, King Ramos, they're inching closer from second and third. Then comes Hype Man in the green colors fourth. In Honor of Artie, Deceiver. Mr. Einstein still trails, but is now just 9 lengths off the lead. Up front, Sunny Saint continues on. Sunny Saint going by the 5/16 pole. The lead's down to 3.5 now. King Ramos getting closer. In Honor of Artie starts to loop up out 3 deep. In behind them comes Nip of Bourbon. Hype Man, Sunny Saint after that quick early tempo is spent, and Sunny Saint's lead is gone. King Ramos, In Honor of Artie, they went right on by. Sunny Saint quickly folds the tent, joined on the outside by Hype Man, Nip of Bourbon in behind. A final furlong left to go. In Honor of Artie now goes to a narrow advantage. King Ramos, the favorite, is now back in second. They're 3 clear of Hype Man, but a final 16th to go. In Honor of Artie is pulling clear. Matty Rowland, and In Honor of Artie, a little bit of an upset here. 10-1, go on to win it by 3.5 in the end. Second, King Ramos. Third was Hype Man. Fourth, Nip of Bourbon. And fifth, Mr. Einstein. The exacta 10 and 7, 64.20. The dollar trifecta, $238. Dollar super, $1,031.20. Daily double, $192. Pick 3, $231.90. The high five was hit for $9,866.20. Today's 8th race is up next in 24 minutes. Race 8 begins our late daily double. We're at 1 mile and 40 yards on the main track. Scratch the number 1, Mr. Who. Number 1, Mr. Who, is scratched. A field of 7 remain in.